Welcome to Paslin, where automation meets precision. Our advanced welding systems deliver high accuracy, speed, and consistency, helping manufacturers meet production goals with confidence. With seam tracking technology and real-time quality monitoring, our welding automation enhances precision while reducing scrap and rework time. Paslin solutions deliver unmatched efficiency, ensuring higher throughput with superior weld quality. Building efficiency through automation, one weld at a time.